Hello South Africa. EThekwini 24 hours planned maintenance water plant shutdown. Umngeni-uThukela Water, a vital water management entity, is set to undertake a crucial maintenance which will affect many EThekwini areas. The operation is to restore its infrastructure following the devastating April 2022 floods. The focus of this operation is the Durban Heights Water Treatment Plant, where the Aqueduct 2, a vital raw water supply pipeline, requires repair and maintenance due to flood damage. Aqueduct 2, the large-diameter pipeline responsible for supplying raw water to the Durban Heights Water Treatment Plant, faced significant damage during the 2022 floods. To address this issue, Umngeni-uThukela Water has scheduled a planned maintenance shutdown of the plant. The primary objective of this shutdown is to isolate Aqueduct 2, allowing for a comprehensive inspection of its last section. Based on the inspection results, carbon fiber repair kits will be applied to the identified sections of the aqueduct, read the statement. The maintenance shutdown is scheduled to commence at midnight on Wednesday, October 11, 2023, and will span 24 hours, concluding at midnight on Thursday, October 12, 2023. During this period, certain areas within the EThekwini metro, which depend on the Durban Heights Water Treatment Plant, may experience disruptions or low water pressure. Umngeni-uThukela Water is committed to working closely with the EThekwini Metro to minimize disruptions and ensure that the maintenance work adheres to the specified schedule. The organization understands the inconvenience this may cause to the public and sincerely apologizes for it. However, it emphasizes that this infrastructure upgrade is a critical step toward ensuring a more reliable and secure water supply in the future. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.